What if I tell you that by the time someone actually gets on a sales call with you, they should already be sold? Not interested, not curious, sold. They've already decided that your method works. The only question left is how do I start? That's not a fantasy. That's what happens when you stop using YouTube for views and start using it for authority building. Most coaches are stuck in a trap where they still teaches but don't resell the audience. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact architecture that a YouTube video needs to have to clear every sales objection before the prospect even clicks on your booking link. By the end of this, you will understand why some coaches spend most of their time convincing people to buy, while some of the coaches spend their most of the time onboarding new clients. So let's get into the strategy. And here's what actually happens. You post a video, it's good, it's valuable, you may get a few thousand views, but your calendar is always empty, or even worse, people who do book a call show up with a wall of resistance. I need to think about it, I am not sure if this works for my niche or not, I've been burned before and I don't know if it is gonna work or not. These objections don't start on the call. They exist in the viewer's mind the very first second they see your content. If your content only educates, then you are giving them more information that they can't even digest yet. You are not shifting their beliefs, you are not clearing up those sales objections in their mind. But when you structure your videos properly, you don't just teach them, you show them how to think about a problem properly. This is what I call objection clearing content. When you master this, you are not just a YouTuber, you become the only logical solution to their problem. To build real authority, you need to stop avoiding objections and start dissolving them. Here's the 3-step strategy I use with my all high-ticket clients. Step 1. The objection audit. Look at your last 10 sales call and find out what were the exact words that they used. Don't just write like price or I need to think about it. Write the exact word and be as specific as possible. Step 2. The strategic reframe. You shouldn't make a video saying why you should hire me. You shouldn't make a video saying why you should pay me. That's a low authority move. Instead, you create a video that reframes the cost of the authority queue. Let me give you an example by price objection. Instead of why coaching is worth it, you title the video The Invisible Tax on DIY Growth. In that video, you show them with data how much money they are losing each month by not having a good system. You turn the investment conversation into a saving conversation. Step 3. Positioning. You are not just sharing tips, you are sharing a structured framework. Authority comes from having a unique process. If you are saying what everyone else is saying, you are just a commodity. If you have a unique named system, then you will be called an expert. This is the exact structure for every video you post if you want people to reach out to you and want to work with you. First, the polarizing hook. Don't just say hi guys. Say something like, if you think you need 10,000 followers to sign high-ticket clients, then you are absolutely wrong. Here's why. This immediately filters for your high-ticket clients and builds authority. Second, empathetic validation. Show them that you understand their world better than they do. And say things like, I get it. You have been told to post 3 times a day. You are exhausted and the leads you are getting are broke or curious. It makes sense why you are frustrated. And when you describe a prospect's problem better than they can, they subconsciously credits you as a person who can solve their problem. This is the most important part. Shift their perspective and say something like this. The reason those reels are not working is not the algorithm. It's the context gap. You are treating YouTube like it's TikTok, while you should be treating it like a sales presentation. And in this way, you have given them just a new lens to look through. And now they trust your judgment. Fourth, the proprietary teach. Give them the what and the why and keep the how tied to your expertise. Here is a 3-part framework to bridge the context gap. Demonstrate mastery. Show them the depth of your thinking. And by the end of this, they should be thinking, if this is what they give for free, imagine what the paid stuff is gonna be like. This is where most people fail. They ask for a call. Authority figures invites for partnership. Now you can take this framework and build it out yourself. It will take some trial and error, but it works. However, if your coach doing $20,000 per month and you want me to build it for you, then we can definitely talk. I will put my IG in the description. Imagine having this 10, 20 or even 50 objection clearing content working for you 24/7, even while you sleep. When a prospect discovers you, they don't just watch one video, they binge watch your content. And with every piece of content, each wall of resistance falls. Video 1 dissolves the time fear, video 2 dissolves the niche drought, video 3 shows your methodology. And by the time they book a call with you, they are not just looking to be sold, they are looking for your leadership. That is how you go from chasing leads to selecting clients. And I'm going to give you some actionable steps that you need to do in this week, so make sure to write it down. First, write down the top 3 objections that you heard this month. Step 2, title 3 videos strategically that reframes that objection. Third, record 1 video using the 5-step structure that I gave you. You need to stop being a teacher and start being authority. If you want a system that actually converts high-ticket clients without you having content creator 24/7, you can check out the link in the description. We work with a few selective people, and if you're a good fit, we will definitely work that out.